Don't pop it up. Keep letting it out like that. So like,
You'll feel it. It'll start to fall.
Too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast.
No.
Slow it down. God damn it. I'm sorry.
You okay?
I'm okay. Don't
You all right,
worry.
Mom?
Oh, crap.
I got a video.
Are you guys okay?
I'm okay. I am okay. I am okay.
Oh, crap.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
All right.
Shirley, don't be.
Everybody's okay. We're okay.
Everything's good.
Okay.
No,
No broken ass?
Shirley, stop. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Is your ass broken?
Shirley, I am fine.
Are you okay, Shirley?
Yeah, I mean, Ask Leslie, I fell off the bench here, I crawled around here trying to get my ass up off the ground.
Yeah, but I didn't do it.
Oh, don't be silly.
Oh, man.
The only
This
thing
should
is,
get you
I had to
$10,000
get
for
up
these home videos.
myself.
Nobody was
It will.
injured.
I had to get up myself.
Nobody's videotaping here.
You broke the
Can somebody get my mother off the ground?
I'll get up. I have to get up myself. I
No,
thought.
we're not gonna, no, we'll help you up, Mom.
Okay, somebody can help me now.
All right. Oh, Ma, you got
Get the wheelchair.
No, I got it. This other side, the other side. This side.
Yeah.
Shirley ran my mother over.
Don't make me laugh, then I can't.
Who's peeing their pants now?
Okay, I'm up.
The whole time you're bending down the behind going.